Okay, now we will select the point which is having less number of unknowns. So if I select C, point C for example, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forces you have. In this 5 forces, in this 5 members, sorry, all the 4 are unknown. So you can't find any of the answers or any of the magnitude here. So we have to select the point A, that is joint A. So first we will consider joint A, right? We will consider a joint A now. So at the joint A, which are the forces are acting, we have to select. So before that, we need to mark the assumption forces on the members first. So initially, we are assuming all the members are tension. According to the answers which we are getting, then we are concluding, okay, AB which force, BD which force, BC which force. So first we are analyzing all the members undergo tension. So I am just marking all the tension forces in the members. See this? We have already know how to mark the tension force in the equilibrium condition of forces chapter. So please go through that chapter if you have doubt. Just I am marking the tension forces in all the members. See this? In all the members. So in each member there will be tension like this. Right? So I am marking in all the members. Okay, we will give the magnitude for this, that is names for this. First one, I am giving first one in the member AB, that is force AB. I'll just change the color, that is plus here F BC, F AC, F CE, F CD, F DE. I'm just giving the member. This here point E is there, here point F is there. I'm just giving force EF, point DF, and the one more here, that is point B and D. You can give member BD, that is force BD. So here I am going to select the joint A first. So you can see in the joint A how many members are acting. So before that guys, you have an inclined force here, right? This is your inclined force. First we will find the, that is BAC. We need an angle here. So we will find one angle, that is angle BAC is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 3, that is 45 degree. So this angle will be 45. Here also it will be a 45 degree. So we got the angle now. So we will move on to the joint. Okay, first I'll select the joint A. So I'm just writing the joint A. See this? Put a point and just mark it A. Which are the forces are marking? Which are the forces are moving? You just mark all the forces. See this? 1, 2 and 3. As it is I'm marking, I'm not changing anything. So after this, mark the forces here. Same thing I'm copying. Just I'm selecting this part, that is point A. Here 1000 Newton. This is, we got the answer here, 45 degree. Okay, here from the joint take the first arrow, that is FAB. Here also tension force. That's why I'm just to remember in a easiest way, I'm just telling first arrow from the joint, first arrow. Okay, now we will consider the equilibrium conditions. Already we know from the previous previous chapter, equilibrium of forces, what are the equilibrium conditions. So we have all the three, that is sum of H is equal to 0, sum of V is equal to 0. Here I am just taking first force, that is sum of H is equal to 0. So which are the horizontal forces you have here? So first we will collect all the horizontal forces. First one plus FAC, next plus, this is inclined force. So how to take this horizontal? That is FAB cos 45 degree. FAB cos 45 degree is equal to 0. Therefore, FAC is equal to minus FAB cos 45 degree. So here we can't solve this equation, so we will consider this as equation number 1. Okay, next, sum of V is equal to 0. We will select all the vertical forces now. So which are the vertical forces? First one plus 1000, and this one inclined force, that is also moving upwards, FAB sin 45 degree is equal to 0. Therefore FAB sin 45 degree is equal to minus 1000. Therefore FAB is equal to minus 1000 divided by sin 45 degree. Therefore FAB is equal to minus 1414.214, right? 1414.214 Newton. So they are giving in a Newton here, so that's why I'm taking Newton. See guys, FAB we have assumed as a tension here, but you got the minus sign, right? So the negative sign indicates the assumed member, that is the assumed tension, which what we are assumed, it is wrong. So the member AB undergoes compression. So you have to write the statement, that is negative sign indicates that the member AB undergoes compression, right? The whatever we assumed in the beginning tension, that is wrong. So this member undergoes compression. That is, after the application of the load, what will happen? The member is going to compress. Initially we have assumed it as tension, so but after the answer we got it, it is wrong. It is going to compress. After the application of the load, the member is going to compress. So FAB we got it. While selecting the next joint, this arrow we will take the reverse. Please remember, FAB you got minus value. So the arrow mark which you are considering, it should be minus when you are considering the next joint.